Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So as a YouTube content creator, the biggest thing that you're going to need is content. Now, this can be especially challenging whenever you're just starting out, but there's a strategy that you can use that will allow you to multiply your content. This is a strategy that I use and many other content creators use as well, and that is repurposing. And so a very simple example of this, say I shoot this video, well, I could actually cut it up into smaller pieces and use it for other platforms, specifically social media like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Discord. You could reuse that content. And then other things you could do is you could also take snapshots, take pictures of your content and also use that for social media. And then if you wanted to, you could also transcribe or make a written form of your actual video content, and now you have a blog content, or you could take small parts of it to use it for many other places on the internet. And then another thing that you could do with your video is to actually make an audio version of it. Just extract the audio and now you have a podcast or audio type related format. And so that's just some very simple examples of how you could take one piece of content and repurpose it for so many other areas. And then as you actually create more videos over time, the amount of videos and content that you can create out of this is pretty amazing. Like for myself, I have over 1,000 videos, so I absolutely have an nearly unlimited amount of content that I could actually create and reuse over and over without really having to do a lot of work from that one video I created a long time ago. So that is it for my thoughts on how you could multiply and repurpose your existing YouTube content for many other areas. It will really save you a lot of time, and at the same time it will also expand your actual brand really quickly, because now with that one piece of content you're in 4, 5, 6 or maybe 7 or more places. So if you had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you actually wanted to see my entire YouTube journey playlist for people who are brand new to YouTube, I will also leave that in the description area below as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.